Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to get a Turkey e-visa using a US visa. If you're planning to visit Turkey and you hold a valid US visa, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the entire process, from checking your eligibility to successfully receiving your e-visa, so you can focus on planning your amazing trip to Turkey. Let's get started. 1. Check eligibility. Ensure that your nationality qualifies for a Turkey e-visa and that you hold a valid US visa. Some nationalities are eligible for a Turkey e-visa if they have a valid US visa. 2. Visit the official Turkey e-visa website. Go to the official Turkey e-visa website, evisa.gov.tr. Ensure that you are on the official site to avoid scams. 3. Click on Apply Now on the home page. Click on the Apply Now button. 4. Select your country of citizenship. Choose your country of citizenship. From the drop-down menu, select the type of travel document you hold, for example, ordinary passport. Confirm that you meet the requirements, including holding a valid US visa. 5. Enter your personal information. Fill in your personal details such as name, date of birth and passport information. Make sure the information matches exactly with your passport and US visa. 6. Review and confirm. Review all the entered information to ensure it is correct. Confirm that all details are accurate before proceeding. 7. Pay the e-visa fee. You will be directed to a payment page where you need to pay the visa fee. The fee can be paid with a credit or debit card. The cost of the e-visa may vary depending on your nationality. 8. Download your e-visa. After successful payments, your e-visa will be emailed to you within minutes. Download and print a copy. 9. Check your e-visa. Verify all the details on your e-visa to ensure there are no errors. The e-visa should include your name, passport number and the duration of your stay in Turkey. 10. Entry to Turkey. Upon arrival in Turkey, present your e-visa along with your passports and US visa to the immigration officers. Keep a printed copy of the e-visa with you throughout your trip, in case it's requested. 11. Stay within visa validity. The Turkey e-visa is usually valid from multiple entries within a specified period, often 90 days. Ensure you adhere to the rules and do not overstay your visa duration. By following these steps, you can successfully obtain a Turkey e-visa using your US visa. And that's it. You're all set to apply for your Turkey e-visa using your US visa. It's a simple and fast process that will have you ready to explore the rich history, beautiful landscapes, and vibrant culture of Turkey in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Have a safe travel and enjoy your trip to Turkey. See you again on our next video.
Waiting around to go out with somebody, anyone but me. You act like you want me, then suddenly drop me. Yeah, you drop me.